Hello guys, I'm A from doc.online.progress, and in this video I would like to give you a quick review of the new amazing features and options that Filmora 12 offers. So let's start. As you see, Filmora 12 has optimized its main interface. Using the new version, you have the possibility to easily switch the layout by selecting the options on the top right. Another new great function is the adjustment layer that allows you to make adjustments to all the videos you have added below. If we have more videos added and we wanted to change color or add an effect, normally we would have to make an individual change, but in Filmora 12 you only need to stretch as desired and the effect would apply on all videos. Let's see an example. As you see, the same effect appears in the first and the second video, just adding it in the adjustment layer. Another significant improvement is noticed in the mask option, where is added the Smart Cut Out option. After selecting the new pen mode, you can easily draw on the clip the element you want to move or blur or change color. As you can see, now you can find the keyframe option in all parameters. What else I found interesting? The fact that a new introduction has been added in the titles option. The 3D titles. Let's see an example. Furthermore, there is a new audio management which makes the editing so much easier. For example, if you add an audio track shorter than your video, you can simply select the audio stretch option to match in automatic the audio on the video. Let's see an example. Plus, by double-clicking the audio file, you'll find the audio denoise option that can reduce any background noise. Wondershare Filmora 12 is a software full of many cool options, and this video is only the beginning of many others that will come, exploring all the very useful features and explaining step by step how to use them. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and if you like our work, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye!